Hello, little learners. Welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today, we are going to play a super fun game where we count objects and find the right number. Are you ready? Let's go. So here on screen, we have some shapes. Let's count them together and see which number matches the number of shapes. So the first shape is square. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the right answer is 4. Now second shape is circle. Let's count number of circles. 1, 2, 3. So the right answer is 3. Now let's count triangle. Identify how many triangles are there. Let's count together. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the right answer is 6. Now let's count how many stars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the right answer is 5. Hope you liked the video and you have learned something. Please click on subscribe button. Thank you. See you in the next video.